Hey guys, welcome to another one. Crypto Empire here. And today, what we got? We got that Titano. Yes, boy. We're back on the Titano. And Titano's still holding up. Right now it's sitting at 0.0027. So it's right there where it's been. Now guys, we have to remember that the power of Titano comes in its ease of use. And I can't speak enough about that, because we literally buy the token and watch our money grow. We ain't going in here every day compounding. And nothing wrong with that, because I am a compound monster. I love compounding, but I don't want to have to spend all that money, all that time compounding. And that's why my love for Titano grows every day. It really does, because I'm realizing how much money I'm saving in comparison to all the other protocols I'm in, constantly compounding every day, and I compound a lot. I have 10 protocols that I keep at all times. So I don't go over 10, because 10 is already too much. But I keep 10 for my daily payout. I try to stretch it out so I'm not collecting from one protocol all the time. I need to get paid every day, baby. I'm getting my money. I don't care what you're talking about. But the way I try to set it up is where I have multiple protocols that I can collect from on the daily basis. And that's why for me personally, I cannot just dedicate all my efforts and time to one protocol. But I do have my favorites, and Titano definitely is one of those favorites. And another thing that I love over some of those other protocols, not shitting on any of those other protocols, but I gotta say it, is that you do not, I'm gonna repeat this, you do not have to lock in your initial investment. So, I hear other people talking about, I'm a millionaire in this, I'm a millionaire in that. But are you really? Can you take that million and take it to the bank? Because if you can't do that, you ain't got no damn million. That's all I'm saying. If that money is not accessible to you, just like you said, not your wallet, not your not your keys, not your tokens, or whatever the fuck the saying is, same thing. If you're locking up your money in a protocol and the money grows and it does get to that $1 million, sure, you're getting heavy residual income from that passive life, but you can't cash out that million. So what are we talking about here? You might be a thousandaire every day, but you ain't no damn millionaire. So that's the great thing about Titano, because if you do eventually have, by the blessings of the Lord, get to $1 million in Titano, yes, after you cash it out, you will have to pay some heavy taxes. But guess what? You can actually cash the whole thing out. You can do that. Other protocols, you cannot do that. I will, that is the number one thing for me. And that's why I keep investing in this project, because I believe in it. And I believe that, if you do take a year to compound and let the money grow, and you don't sell and you don't take anything out, and now all of a sudden you're sitting on $1 million, but you can't collect it, like, that's a real shame. So more props to Titano on that front. And yeah, guys, so check it out. The price right now is still super low to buy your Titanos. Get them while they're cheap. And